Hello all, welcome to IBM BPM tutorial. Today I'm planning to show how to create a template using the coach view in IBM BPM. So first create a process application name with coach and coach view sample app and give acronym name as CCVSA. Give some description if you would like to give. So I have given this description. Uh, Then click on the checkbox Allow users to open in a process application in Web Case Designer and click on Create. Then click on Open in a Designer to start working on this application. So it will open the application in a process designer. So first of all, add the dependency responsive coach views to open in a web browser as well as to implement for the mobile applications. So then what I have did, click on the files plus symbol, add the web file and select the png file, that is some header purpose we are going to use in our application later, and then add one more image into our application, that is footer. I have selected, click on finish. So you can see here those whatever the files uploaded. Then create a coach view. Under the user interface, click on plus symbol and see the you can select the coach view. Give the name as BlueMix Template Coach View, that is CV. And if you want to use for the multiple device, check box this. Include for the use on multiple device. Click on finish. So this will open in a web browser. Here it is open. So what I need to do here is I am planning to create a template using this coach view. Okay, first what I will do, go to the advanced, under that select a custom HTML, select that and go to the properties, HTML, select text option and enter the HTML code which will fit for the header section. So I have some HTML code here and it contains divs and all. So the header text is BlueMix Technologies and the div is header and all. Save it. Then take a content box from the palette and drag into layout section. And by default it will be selected as vertical, and select one more custom HTML that is for footer implementation purpose. Select the text and give the some footer HTML code here. I have some footer code here, div footer and all, and here is it will show at the rate of BlueMix Technologies. This is copyrights and all. Just save this. Then what I need to do, whatever the divs and all we have defined, that we need to define a CSS code over here. Select the behavior, under that CSS. I have some CSS codes here. Whatever the divs I have defined in HTML code, copy and paste it in inline CSS file. Here is I have copy and pasted, and if you see this image, whatever it is, I have removed. I have uploaded the footer.png so that I have taken as a reference as a background. Similarly for the header. Okay. This is a CSS code we have included in this. Save this. Now what we need to do, we need to make this as a template. Go to the overview and select use as a template. Click on the checkbox so that what will happen, this coach will make as a template. It will become as a template. And if you would like to show some view of this template, you can upload this palette icons over here, and if you don't like it, let it be. uh, that's it. Coach view template we have created, and it contains the header, footer, and in between that content box. Now we need to test this application. For testing this, create a heritage human service and give name as BlueMix Template human service, that is HS. Click on finish. Here what you can do, take a coach and drag and drop onto diagram section and name it as BlueMix template. Drag a line from start to BlueMix template coach and from BlueMix template to end. And if you don't like this okay, you can remove that okay also, because of the template we are going to show it not required any okay button and all, so just keep it as a some quotes here. Now I need to implement this codes by utilizing the template which I have created. Just double click on BlueMix template. It will open a new window. Here is asking for select a template. Select the template, and we have only one template in this application, BlueMix template. Select that and click on OK. And you can see here we have all the data content here. Drop additional content here because of content box we have created in a template. This content will have, that means this view will have all the data. Just run this application. Here is run service and it will open in a browser. You can see BlueMix technology header and footer contain BlueMix technologies as a coach. This is the first one. It will show as a header part, and that is contain that one. Then the between that content, it will be the middle part of header and footer. Then below one custom HTML that represent as a footer, that is shown below BlueMix technology, other BlueMix technologies. This is whole view of our template. Thank you. Next we will see in another session. Thank you. Bye.